everyone! I hope everyone have a good day today. So as usual, I'm gonna introduce one of our local fruit and veggies. So today I'm going to cook our local pumpkin. This one is quite big. So I buy this one from our nearby market. So today I'm gonna cook pumpkin and chicken. So here is the ingredients. As you can see, we have garlic, chili, and red onion. And I will cook it with some chicken. So stay tuned. So first of all, we're going to cut this pumpkin into small pieces. So here is the step. And then we're going to remove the skin. Okay, here is the pumpkin. We have removed all the peel off the skin just now, and then we're gonna cut it into small pieces. So we cut it into small pieces. So here is the pumpkin. So next, we're gonna cut our red onion. And then garlic. Okay, let's start cooking. So here we have our cooking oil. Then we're gonna wait until it cook, and then we put our red onion and garlic. Mix it. So next, put our chicken. Put a little bit of butter. And then we have our seasoning here. Let's put a little bit and mix it. Have our chili. So if you want a little bit spicy, you can add 3 pieces. Just depend on your taste. So we have to wait until the chicken is cooked. Okay, then last but not least, we're gonna put our pumpkin. So mix it all together. And then it will be cooked around 3 to 4 minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, now our pumpkin with chicken is ready to serve. So here is it, our pumpkin with chicken. So let's try it. I'm so excited because this is one of my favorite food. So let's try with the pumpkin first. Very sweet, very nice. And add some chicken. Very nice, guys. You should try this at home. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video this time, and I hope you guys can try this at home. So stay tuned for my next video and stay safe, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so before we start cooking, so let me introduce our ingredient. So first of all, we have our pumpkin, very big one. This is the local one. And then we have some onion, chili, red onion. Sorry, this one is garlic just now. Okay guys, stay tuned.